I actually talk about this coin in my previous video. I show you guys how you can boost your earning, how you can earn fast. I really want to show you and inform you that this coin is still existing, that people are still mining it. So you can use this limited time that you have to actually mine this coin, because from next month, by God grace, this coin will be launched. So on the 1st of April, everybody will stop mining. And if everybody stop mining or the mining stopped, what do you think? The next step is to launch the coin. So let me quickly show you something very quick. So can you guys see that the mining phase ends on the April 1st? You can see that means the mining will stop on April 1st. That is 1st April. Nobody will be able to mine this coin again. And you know what that means? Once they stop mining, the next thing is to sell the next thing is to launch the coin for people to actually carry out trade on it. I'm actually on the NOTCOIN community right now. So this is the message I got this morning, that the mining phase ends on the April, that is 1st April. So if you know how you can accumulate this coin right now, just try and accumulate it. According to rumor, what I heard that is 10 million not coin is $300. We don't know, by the time it will launch, maybe it will be more than that. So just go and mine. It's just that you guys have just limited time, 5 days, for this coin to for the mining to stop. So if you can think within 5 days, we can actually be consistent and do this. At least even if you can earn up to, let me say, 300,000 not coin, you can see I've earned up to 5.1 million not coin. So if you can actually try this out, you make something out of it. Just give it a try. We don't know how much they are going to launch much not coin. So whatever the price they launches, I pray it should be a better price, so that people who just get into the trade right now can actually benefit or get something tangible from it. Okay, just try this and keep hoping. Have a positive mind. Okay, it's not too late for you guys. Don't be discouraged. Just try. Even if it's 200, you can mind this. If you know you want to learn how to boost it very fast, go and watch my previous video. I've explained how to do that. So you go and try it out and give it a try, bro. You will do it. Guys, if you like the way I'm giving you updates, please just subscribe, like, and share my video. Thank you.